It's time to complete Lesson 3, Chapter 1. Please click on the Lesson 3 tab in Jasper Active and click Start Quiz. Just like with the previous quizzes, we are not going to use the results of this one, so please choose any random answer. And then click Show Results. Click OK. And click Continue. After you've taken the quiz, it's important to click Activate All to make sure you have all the lessons showing. For Lesson 3, there are 7 chapters or exercises, and we're going to be doing the first one, Formatting Characters. Please click Learn. Click Continue. And here we are. I'm going to look at my Word icon. It's blinking. There's just one window open. So let's begin. It says open the staff agenda document from the resource files folder and save it as staff agenda simple format to the My Projects folder. So let's go to File, Open, and remember to hit Browse each time you open a document. Go to Documents, Jasper Active, Resource Files. Here's the staff agenda. If your box is empty when you go to your Resource Files box, please make sure the file name is next to the file name on the file type. You've chosen All Files. Let's open Staff Agenda, and now we're going to save it with a different name in a new location. So File, Save As, Browse, remember hit Browse each time, Documents, Jasper Active, and this time we're putting it in My Projects with a new name. Please type the whole name yourself. So delete out the previous file name, Staff Agenda, and retype it. Parentheses, simple format. And please use the parentheses that are on the 9 and the 0 key, not the brackets that are in a different area of your keyboard. Staff agenda, make sure I capitalize the S and the A. Perfect, and click Save. Number 2, select the first 2 lines, Agenda and Staff Retreat. So I'm going to click and drag to select them. On the Home tab, in the Font group, this is the area of tools called the Font group, click Bold. With the text still selected on the Home tab, in the Font group, click the arrow for Size, and then click 18. Mark as answered. Next. All right, next one. Ensure the text is still selected. Now when I look at my Word document, it doesn't look like the text is selected, but that's only because I've recently clicked on the Jasper Active window. So I'm going to click on my Word file, but I'm going to click at the top. There we go. I can see it's still selected. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the arrow for Font Color to display the palette of colors, and click the blue Accent 1 Darker 25% color. So when you put your mouse cursor over each of these colors, it will tell you the name of the color. So in this blue, this is called dark blue, and the one to the right, blue Accent 1. That's what we want. But as we go down on this row, it's slightly different percentages. So we have lighter 80%, lighter 60%, lighter 40%, darker 25%. That's the one that we want. So I'm going to click it. Next, select the line of text, Pacific Plaza Hotel, Renaissance Conference Room. On the Home tab and in the Font group, click the Text Highlight Color button and select the color yellow. There we've selected yellow. Select the line of text, 9 o'clock President's Welcome. Make this line bold. change the text color to blue accent 1, darker 25%, and add a yellow highlight color. As you apply more formatting attributes to selected text, you will notice that the text can quickly become difficult to read. Mark as answered and click Next. With the 9 o'clock President's Welcome text selected, on the Home tab in the Font group, click Clear All Formatting. That is this tool here with the A with the eraser. So I'm going to make sure my 9 o'clock President's Welcome is still selected, and I'm going to click the Clear All Formatting button. Click the arrow for text highlight color, and then click No Color. Mark as answered, and click Next. We're going to return to the top of the page and select the two title lines, Agenda and Staff Retreat. We're going to click the arrow for font and choose Verdana or Verdana, either one. Now, the fonts are listed alphabetically, so since this font begins with a V, I'm going to use the scroll bar to go towards the bottom of the list. So here I am towards the bottom, and here is the font. I'm going to choose that. You'll notice it looks just a little different. And then I'm going to save the document by going to File, Save. Mark as answered, click Show Results, and click Yes to continue. Great. Our data was saved, so we're going to click X to return to the Jasper Active menu. You have now completed Lesson 3, Chapter 1, Formatting Characters.